हरि ओम। ओम सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहि तेजस्विनावदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Today is the eighth Abhanga of Vedharipat, and which emphasize on the relevance of the company of the Sajjana, Santa Sajjana, how it is important in our life uh, when we are progressing on the path of divine life. The Sangati, Gati Karane Sangati Sajjanachi, Mati Palate Sumati Durjanachi. रती नायिकेचा पती नष्ट आहे म्हणून मनाती होनी राहे. It is said by Samartha Ramdas, and which emphasize on the relevance of the Sangati, company of the Sajjana. Sajjana means Santa, Sadguru. And the same is explained by Sri Santa Jnaneshwar in his this Abhanga. संतांचे संगती मनोमार्गे गती आकळावा श्रीपती येणे पंथे. रामकृष्ण वाचा भाव हा जीवाचा आत्मा जो शिवाचा राम जप. आत्मा जो शिवाचा राम जप. एक तत्व नाम साधिती साधन द्वैताचे बंधन न बांधीजे. नामामृत गोडी वैष्णवा लाधली योगिया साधली जीवन कळा. सत्वर उच्चार प्रल्हादी बिंबला उद्धवा लाधला कृष्ण दाता. ज्ञानदेव म्हणे नाम हे सुलभ सर्वत्र दुर्लभ विरळा जाणे. So it is a very in a easiest way the divine path is being explained by Sant Jnaneshwar. And on this path, the importance of the Namasmarana is very much emphasized. In this, Nama Amruta Godi Vaishnava Ladhali Yogiya Sadhali Jivanakada. When Sadguru gives you the Namasmarana mantra, and the Satshishya is always in the Smarana of the Nama, then everything changes in his Antakarana Panchaka. We had in the last session we had understood that what is Antakarana Panchaka. There is a Mana, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar and Antakarana. And with this Sukshma Sharir, the changes in that, with the changes in the Triguna, when the sadhak is unshackled by this Triguna, when he is in Namasmarana, automatically his journey for the divinity, it is very much progressing and without any efforts. All his ignorance, his illusions, they vanishes automatically. Just like that, if in a dark room, when we switch on the light, the moment we switch on, the darkness goes. In the same way, the ahanta, adnyan, inertia means jadatva, darkness, ignorance, that all vanishes instantly when the blessings of the Sadguru is there. And the sadhaka, when he is in his namasmarana, he is in his right efforts, the blessings automatically comes to him when he deserves it. That's why the efforts are very, very important. That efforts of the seekers of the path of divine life, that efforts brings him the blessings of the Sadguru, and that makes him enlightened. All the inertia and everything that is darkness of the life that vanishes, that goes off forever. But what is the significance of the Santa? We could understand that there must be a company of Santa, Santa Sajjana. Santanche Sangati Manomarge Gati. There must be the company of Santa, but how we can understand that the Santa and their impact and their presence, the fragrance of their beingness, how can one experience? That is explained very well in the Santa Stavan Nam. It is the fifth samas of first dashak of Srimad Dasbodh. So Stavan Nam, dashak, first Stavan Nam, and the fifth samas, Sant Stavana Nam. Samartha Ramdas has praised the Sant and also shown their identity, how they are, how we can understand or how we can feel or how we can experience their presence, their fragrance. It is that संत आनंदाचे मूळ, संत सुखची केवळ, नाना संतोषाचे मूळ ते हे संत. संत आनंदाचे स्थळ, संत सुखची केवळ, नाना संतोषाचे मूळ ते हे संत. Wherever you are in a contact or in a presence or in the vicinity of a Santa, how we can identify that? When you yourself experience the Anand, Sat Chit Anand, when you feel the Santosh, the contentment, and the Sukha, when we feel the Sukha of our mana, when my mind is in happy state. संत विश्रांतीची विश्रांती, संत तृप्तीची निज तृप्ती, ना तरी भक्तीची फळश्रुती, ते हे संत. Only when we have a pure devotion, a complete devotion, surrender for the Lord, then only we have the company of, that is the fruit of that devotion, the company of the Santa. ना तरी भक्तीची फळश्रुती ते हे संत. Sant Vishrantichi Vishranti, that means when we say that I am at rest, but rest also rest in him. That is the serenity, that is the peace when one can experience in their vicinity, with their company. Santa Dharmache Dharmakshetra. If you want to understand dharma, then the life of Santa is itself a dharma. संत धर्माचे धर्मक्षेत्र, संत स्वरूपाचे सत्पात्र, ना तरी पुण्याची पवित्र पुण्यभूमी. What is a punya? Punya means all good deeds, all the benevolence, paropkar, in selflessness in the conduct, or unconditional love. He is the live example of those unconditional love and all benevolence for the humanity. We can understand that the nature expects from the humans the benevolence for the totality, to be good for the totality. And those species which are not good for the totality, for the whole, they are being eradicated. That is the nature's law, or nature follow it. For example, we know the story of dinosaurs, and with the asteroids, they are eradicated. In the same way, there are many species like Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, and all. The nature determines, it decides whom to eliminate. And the rule is very simple. If you are not beneficial for the whole, for totality, the nature automatically takes its course, takes its decision. And we have to contemplate on our species how beneficial we are for the whole. And to be eligible for that benevolence or selflessness in the conduct, or for that compassion for all living creatures, and for contributing to this whole as a whole for the goodness of all, we have to have the company of Santa. It's not possible without the Santa Sajjana's company. One can be free from all illusions, inertia, ignorance, and arrogance. It is only their blessings and that fragrance, the fragrance of happiness, the fragrance of unconditional love, the fragrance of peace, the fragrance of compassion, the fragrance of true love, that is very much helpful for our survival as well as the beneficial of the whole, the totality. संत समाधीचे मंदिर, संत विवेकाचे भांडार, नातरी बोलीचे माहेर, सायुज्य मुक्तीचे. Sayujya Mukti. In the last session, we had experienced that there are 4 types of muktis: Salokata, Samipata, Swarupata, and Sayujyata. Loki rahije te Salokata, Swarupi rahije te Swarupata, Samip rahije te Samipata. These all are having limitations. But Sayujyata is the Nirguna Bhakti. It is the Ananya Nirguna Bhakti forever, and it always exists. That's why the Sant Ramdas says, Maharaje Chakravarti झाले आहे तर पुढे होती, परी कोणी सायुज्य मुक्ती देणार नाही सर्वथा. This Sayujya Mukti, Sahayujya Mukti means all your thoughts, all your feelings, emotions, your guna, they are purified. All your Antakarana Panchaka is purified. Only there is a divinity within you. Our vacha is purified, our mind is purified, our ego is purified. There is only and only the divinity, nothing else. Being oneness with the Paramatatva is the Sayujya Mukti. And this Sayujya Mukti is only possible with the blessings of Santa, the blessings of Sadguru, blessings of the Sajjanas. That's why the Maharaje Chakravarti झाले आहे तर पुढे होती, परी कोणी सायुज्य मुक्ती देणार नाही सर्वथा. Even the emperor, he cannot purify your thought. He cannot give you that satisfaction, that completeness, that happiness. He cannot change you. But the change is only possible with the touchstone of Sadguru, feet, lotus feet. He has that capability to turn this iron into a gold. He has that capability, and that is forever. He makes you divine. He makes you like himself, as pure as himself, as divine as himself. And that is the miracle of this Santa Sangati. That's why Jnaneshwar is praising and he is emphasizing the relevance of the vicinity of the Santa. Santanche Sangati Mano Marge Gati. Akalawa Srukati Ine Pante. God, you can be one with the God. You experience the God. And that is just possible with Santa Sangati. संत सत्याचा निश्चयो, संत सार्थकाचा जयो, संत प्राप्तीचा समयो सिद्ध रूप. Whatever we say sat, if there is any sat, that is in sant. If there is any satya, truth, that is also in them. If there is any sarthaka, means, oh, whatever efforts or whatever time I spend, I'm happy with the result of those time. The time is with the Santa. Any time, any moments we spend for them in their vicinity or in their service, it is all sarthaka. It is worth. We have spent our time, our energy for them, just to listen them, just to be in their contact, just to be in their vicinity. That is Santa Sarthakacha Jayo, Santa Prapticha Samayo Siddha Rupa. We had also the 4 stages we understand. Baddha, Mumukshu, Sadhak and Siddha. All these four stages, everybody by birth, he's not enlightened. He is a Baddha. He don't know about himself. But with the blessings, with your efforts on this divine path, he turns into a Mumukshu, Mumukshu into a Sadhak, Sadhak into a Siddha. It is all possible with the blessings of the Santa Sajjana. जे त्रैलोक्य नाही दान ते करीती संत सज्जन, परंतु कोणी सायुज्य तया संतांचे महिमान काय म्हणून वर्णावे. What a sant can give you, sant can give you that no one else in this universe can donate, can give you. That is their strength, that is their status of giving. He can give you, he can make you like himself, he can make you God. That is his strength. And that's why the Santa said, Samartha Ramdas said, Je Trailokki nahi dana te kariti Santa Sajjana. What is that? That is a Sayujya Mukti. And Santa Tukaram also in his Abhanga, he begs to his Lord Vithala that Hechi dana dega deva tuza visarana bhava na lage mukti dhana sampada santa sanga dei sada. That means the company of Santa Sajjana, Santa Sangha is very, very, very important and at a higher level than any kind of liberation, that is mukti, any kind of wealth you achieve, dhana, sampada, any kind of pleasure or any kind of achievements. The greatest, the most important achievement in the life is the Santa Sangati, to be at his service, to be at his lotus feet of the Sadguru. And that is emphasized by not only one Sant, many Santa said, Guru bina kauna batave baat. Guru bina kauna batave baat. So, when we are on this journey, there are so many obstacles. Bhranti ki nadiya, ahankar ki laat. There is a ignorance, there is a ahanta, there is a ahankar. It is all inbuilt. It is already there. And only Santa, Sadguru, he gives you the way through this all darkness. And when we come out of the darkness, then only we all are relieved and we experience the Sayujya Mukti. The true love, the unconditional love. And this is the real achievement of being human, of our beingness. If we are supposed to achieve anything, or the purpose of the human life itself, or how to be benevolent for the whole, how to be important for the goodness of all, that is only possible when all this darkness vanishes. There is no ignorance, there is no inertia. And that is possible with the Santa Sangati. Santanche Sangati, Manomarge Gati. आकळावा श्रीपती येणे पंथे, राम कृष्ण वाचा भाव हा जीवाचा, आत्मा जो शिवाचा राम जप. एक तत्व नाम साधिती साधन, द्वैताचे बंधन न बांधीचे. Now the relevance of Nama Smaran is there. With the help of Santa, it is possible to have a Nam, and with the efforts of the Nama Smaran, the Dvaita means duality. This or that Dvaita goes. There is only oneness. There is no avidya. Jnata, Jnana and Jnaya, Drashta, Drushti and Drushya, all vanishes and there is only one. Jnata is a Jnaya and Jnaya is a Jnana. The oneness with the Paramatatva. That experience, that vanishes the duality. And it's possible with your efforts of the Namasmara. So, Santanche Sangati, Mano Marge Gati. Mano Marge Gati. So, all our Antakarana Panchaka, all this duality is why? As long as man is there, mind is exist, the duality exists. When there is a mana, when we are beyond the mind, then there is no duality. Mano Buddha Ahankara Chittani Naham. Nacha Srotra Jive, Nacha Grana Netre, Nacha Vyoma Bhumirna Tejona Vayu, Chidananda Rupaha, Shivoham, Shivoham. When this duality ends, the Dvaita Bandhana ends or it vanishes, then we could find our Swarupa as Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa. That is the Turiya Avastha. The four Avastha we had in the last session understood that there is a Vaishwanara Avastha first, then there is a Taijasa, then third is the Prajna, and fourth is the Turiya Avastha. And Sat Chit Ananda Swarup is the Anubhav, experience of that Avastha. So all these avidya, all these duality, dvait, that vanishes and only remains the Sat Chit Ananda, the oneness. That is the Swarupa of the Paramatatva, the Lord. That is the Sayujya Mukti. One could experience, but it is all possible only when, with the blessings of the Sadguru, with the blessings of the Santa, their company, and to be at their lotus feet, at their service. Nama Amrita Godi Vaishnava Ladhali, Yogiya Sadhali Jivana Kala. Then, when we have the Nama Amrita, always the nectar of the Nama Smarana, always within us, in our Para, Pashanti, Madhyama, and Vaikhari, then automatically this life becomes relevant. The Satsad Vivek, the conscience is ignited. The conscience is, we are enlightened. And with this light, we are very much beneficial to the whole, the totality. And that is the relevance of being a human. If we are human, we have the conscience always illuminated, enlightened, and we have the compassion for each and every living creature. We have the selflessness in the conduct. We are beneficial to the whole, and that is the relevance of our existence. But it is possible with all the miracles of the touchstones of the Santa Sajjana and their Bhakti Marg, the path of divine life, what they have shown to us and our efforts on that. Nama Amruta Godi Vaishnava Ladhali Yogiya Sadhali Jivana Kada Satvara Uchara Prahladi Bimbala Uddhava Ladhala Krishna Data. We have the examples. For example, Bhakta Prahlad and Uddhava. Uddhava was a cousin of Bhagwan Sri Krishna in Dwapar Yuga. So in the last session also we could understand the story of Uddhava, what happened to him when Lord sent him to Braja, Vrindavan, to meet the Radha and Gopi, just to make him complete that only Jnana is not sufficient. The true love, the unconditional love, the Prema Yoga is also there. And in his next birth, the same Uddhava is a Sant Namdev, whose whole life is just unconditional love for the Lord. and the Paramatatva. So, the example of Mahabhakta Prahlad, in his childhood, his true devotion, his surrender for Narayan, we had in the last session experience that how Abhakta and Bhakta, the difference of their life. And what happens to the Abhakta? The only and only the Papa. And what happens to the Bhakta, Mahabhakta Prahlad? He was always saved by all these enmity or revenge of his own father, Hiranyakashipu. So, this Uddhava and Prahlad, they all were saved only with the Namasmarana Bhakti. They had their own Sadguru. Bhagwan Dattatreya was Sadguru of Mahabhakta Prahlad. And for Namdev, Visobha Kechar was his Sadguru. And with their blessings, with the Namasmaran, they could understand, they could experience the omnipresence of the Lord in each and every living creatures. They said, Eko aham bahushyami, that experience, aham ekam idam sarvam sacharacharam evacha, iti jatva sharire asmin pranadharanam uchyate, was experience with the Sadguru, Sadguru's blessings. And all this comes to them, the completeness in their life and the oneness with the Lord. It was all possible with the Santa Sangati. Jnanadeva म्हणे नाम हे सुलभ सर्वत्र दुर्लभ विरळा जाणे. As we say that chanting the name of the Lord is a very easiest path, but still, even though it is the easiest one, but it is not easily available for everyone, even though it is the easiest way of the path of divine life. So our sincere efforts, our devotion bhava, our surrender, and our willingness to come out of all the shackles of the ignorance and inertia, that will help. The efforts will help. So in this way, this Abhanga 8, which emphasizes the importance of the Santa Sangati and the Sahib being completed. If we have any doubt or if we want to have any elaboration on any point, the forum is open so that we can go into the deeper insight of this Abhanga and the Namasmarana Bhakti and Santa Sangati. The forum is open.
If anyone would like to repeat any part, they can let us know. I guess we are good. Ananjay, I guess today's session is okay for them. So we will take any question or doubt or any part if they want to repeat. We will take next Sunday. Would that be okay?
Okay, no issue. Before concluding this session with the Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnata Purnamudachyate, we will again emphasize our experience on the Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam. See, we say that who has seen the God? God could not be seen with naked eyes or could not be felt. And if we experience the nature, we can see the divinity in Lord Sun, the divinity in moon, the divinity in the earth, which is so tolerant and helpful for us. In the same way, the divinity of the fire, Agni, the divinity of the sky, the divinity of the air, the Vayu, because of which we are alive, and divinity of the Jala Tattva. These are the 7 deities one can day-to-day experience with his 5 senses. And in the last session, we could understand the Purnatva, the completeness, which never changes, or by addition or by subtraction of the water, Jala Tattva. Today we will understand about the Vayu Tattva. The Purnatva, the completeness never changes. With the Vayu Tattva, we can understand that with the wind energy, if we use the flow or the power of the air for generating the wind energy, the energy, if it is subtracted, still the energy of the Vayu Tattva remains the same. It has no change. It is as it is. So the Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam is experienced with this divine Tattva, Vayu Tattva, which is our day-to-day experience. Thank you. We will conclude the session with our prayer. Harihi Om. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnata Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thanks all. We will meet next Sunday for a group discussion on the same topic. So thank you, and you all have a great day. Bye-bye.